Here we are in Albany again. What are we doing today?
Finding the big game Amtrak engine.
That's right. Now I see an old Pullman car on that train there, which was a special car on the end of the train that has the big game locomotive on it. So that means it's in the station. Let's go find it.
There it is.
You guys see it? All right. Let's get a shot of this thing. Well, what do we have here?
It's a big train.
That's right. So this one here, I think they're going to be disconnecting a few cars and then continuing on their way south. So what do you think? Should we go down the line and try to find a spot to get it moving?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
And I also need you carrying me.
Okay. What, love?
That's very fast.
Yeah.
It's like...
It's picking up speed. There it is, the big game train. A locomotive that, as far as I know, doesn't generally come this far east, usually. But we saw it, so check that off the list. All right, have fun. Until next time, keep spotting those trains.